Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. Maybe hit the bell so you get notifications of our next videos. Today we're going to talk about how to be a good guest on Airbnb. Your host, probably most hosts most hosts have worked hard to they've put up a good profile picture. They've taken good pictures of their home so you can see what you're getting. The least you can do is have a good profile picture yourself. It's not everything, but it gives the host a little bit of an idea of who you are. Preferably a picture of you smiling, looking friendly. Maybe a little blurb about yourself on your profile so the host can get to know you a little bit. That's just kind of a basic one. Never ask for a discount. Most of the listings on Airbnb are already discounted. It's primarily a discount service unless you're using the luxury option, some of the luxury homes that are now on Airbnb. And even then, I'm not sure I would ask for a discount. Your host has gone through the process to determine a reasonable price and, for what you get based on the location and what they're offering. And I feel if you're asking for a discount, you're kind of discounting, sorry for the pun, discounting what they've done already. So just don't do it. Guests who ask for a discount, I feel, and some of the people who post at the various forums, they seem to be the pickiest guests, so you're putting yourself in that kind of category. Just don't do it. Yeah, it's discounted. It's like going to a 100 yen shop and asking for a discount. Just don't do that. Read and follow all the messages that the host sends you. Again, the host has spent a lot of time to put these messages together. It's very disappointing for the host when they find that the guest hasn't bothered to read anything and is asking questions that the host has already answered in the messages. Just don't do it. Yeah, your hosts are busy. Okay? The host is not your mother or your father, so don't act like they are. Clean up after yourself. That doesn't mean you have to do everything, but before you leave, you should have your trash, ready for the host to take away. If they recycle, follow the instructions for recycling, and rinse out whatever needs to be rinsed out, and put into the appropriate receptacle. Follow the rules. Basically, follow the rules to be a good guest. Okay, it's pretty simple. And of course, always be respectful and polite in your correspondence with your host. One, that's just something you should do anyway. Two, your host has power over whether you get to use the Airbnb system. The host gets to review you. I think it's just two hosts. If just two hosts say they don't want to host you again, I believe Airbnb either bans you or puts you on probation so that you can never instant book again. At least you can't instant book for a while until you get some good reviews again. So stay on the good side of your host. I mean, you should do that anyway, just being a good person. So yeah, those are my basic bits of advice for how to be a good guest. And I hope you enjoy the system, because Airbnb is a fantastic service. So I hope you get to use it, and I hope you enjoy using it. Thank you for watching.